Now class, today I will discuss about other kinds of pronoun. And the third kind of pronoun is interrogative pronoun. We have already discussed about two kinds of pronoun. First was your personal pronoun and second one was your demonstrative pronoun. Now coming to third one. Interrogative pronouns. A pronoun that is used to ask question is called an interrogative pronoun. A pronoun that is used to ask question is called an interrogative pronoun. ऐसे pronouns जो आपके questions पूछने में help करते हो, that is known as interrogative pronoun. Words such as who, what, which, whom and whose are used. Words such as who, what, which, whom and whose are used. Now, very important point beta, how will you differentiate between an adjective and a pronoun? कैसे आप differentiate करोगे? How will you identify? See, pronouns में बेटा you need a what? You need what? You need a helping verb. I have already told you that adjective में you need a noun, whereas in pronoun you need a helping verb or any action word. या तो उस पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस में बेटा आपका हेल्पिंग वर्ब हो या तो फिर कोई एक्शन वर्ड हो. एडजेक्टिव में बेटा इन एडजेक्टिव्स यू नीड अ नाउन, whereas in pronoun you need a helping verb or a doing word. ठीक है बेटा. Doing word means action words. For example, play, dance, read, enjoy. So these words are known as doing words. See the example beta. Which is your watch? Which is your watch? And then there is a question mark. Remember, in every interrogative question there should be a question mark. There should be a question mark. So which is your watch? Which is your interrogative word, and just after which there is a helping verb. What is there? There is a helping verb. That means this sentence is known as interrogative pronoun. Now coming to second example. What is your address? And there is a question mark again. What is your interrogative word? And just after what? Just after your interrogative word, what is given beta? It is a helping verb. There is a helping verb after what. That means what के बाद अगर मेरा helping verb दिया है, that means the sentence is known as interrogative pronoun. Okay बेटा. Now coming to third one. Whose is this pen? Whose is this pen? And a question mark again. Whose is again your interrogative word, and just after whose what is given? There is a helping verb. That means the whole sentence is known as what? It is known as interrogative pronouns. Okay beta. Now coming to D part. The fourth kind of pronoun is reflexive pronoun. What it is known as? It is known as reflexive pronouns. Now what do you mean by reflexive pronouns beta? See point number 1. When the object of the sentence is same as the subject. When the object of the sentence is same as the subject. So to identify a reflexive pronoun beta, कैसे आप identify करोगे? See, in a sentence the subject and the object should be same. किसी sentence में अगर subject और object, you know that कि in a sentence you require a subject and an object. आपको subject की भी ज़रूरत पड़ती है and object की भी ज़रूरत पड़ती है. And if the subject and object both are same, that means it is a reflexive pronoun. That means it is a reflexive pronoun. Now coming to second point. Words such as myself, ourselves, herself, yourself, itself, himself, themselves are used. What all words are used beta? Words such as myself, ourself, herself, yourself, itself, himself, themselves are used. For example, see the examples beta. First example, she was blaming herself for the fault. She was blaming herself for the fault. So herself is your reflexive word. Now coming to second example, I asked myself why I should help him. Myself is again your reflexive word. The cat jumped off the wall by itself. Itself is your reflexive word. Coming to fourth example, we will make the sand castle by ourselves. Coming to last, fifth example, we enjoyed ourselves at the picnic. So, in all these 5 sentences, we have some reflexive word. And what are those words? Herself, myself, itself, ourselves, and again there is ourselves. So, and you have what all other words you have? You have themselves and yourselves also. So, in the sentence where the subject and the object are same, and if you get such words, herself, where there is self, 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 जहाँ जहाँ भी दिया है बेटा, that will become your reflexive pronoun. Okay. Now coming to next fifth kind of pronoun, that is your emphasizing pronoun. See, emphasizing pronoun, fifth part, or you can say fifth kind of pronoun is your emphasizing pronouns. See, in this also, words that are used in this kind of pronoun also, we use which kind of words? We use myself, himself, herself, ourself. Again, in this also we use the same kind of words that are used in your previous kind of pronoun, that was your reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun में जैसे words उसमें use करते हैं, same in this also we use the same kinds of words, myself, himself, herself and ourself. But बेटा, there is a difference between the two. Reflexive pronoun और emphasizing pronoun में हमारा क्या होता है? Difference होता है. I will tell you later on. First of all, we will complete this kind of pronouns. Then afterwards, I will discuss the difference between reflexive and emphasizing pronoun. Words that are used: myself, himself, herself and ourself. So these are the words that are used in this kind of pronoun. Which kind of pronoun? Emphasizing pronoun. Example, I myself had to go there. I myself had to go there. She herself will search it. She herself will search it. So these are your emphasizing pronouns. Okay. Now coming to last one, that is your possessive pronoun. Coming to last kind of pronoun, sixth type of pronoun, that is your possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun that tells who or what owns something. किसी के ownership के बारे में बताता है, किसी के belonging के बारे में बताता है. Just in the case we have read about nouns possession के बारे में पढ़ा था बेटा, वैसे ही possessive case में भी किसी के किसी के ownership के बारे में बताता है कि कोई चीज़ उसकी है. Okay. Example, these red shoes are mine. These, okay. Before the examples, let me tell you what all words are used in this possessive pronoun. First of all, that tells who or what owns something. किसी की possession के बारे में बताता है. Okay, now second point. The words that are used in possessive pronoun are mine, hers. Hers, mine, hers, yours, theirs, his, its, ours are possessive pronouns. So these all words are used in case of possessive pronoun. One more important point to note beta, possessive pronouns generally come at the end of a sentence. हमेशा 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 बेटा आप कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करोगे? इट्स वेरी इजी टू आइडेंटिफाई. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपके ऐसे वर्ड्स दिए हों एंड ऑल्सो आपके लास्ट में सबसे एंड में आके व्हेन देयर इज अ पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन. आपका अगर पोजेसिव वर्ड दिया है सबसे लास्ट सेंटेंस में, व्हेन यू एंड अ सेंटेंस with a possessive word, that means that sentence is known as possessive pronoun. हमेशा लास्ट में आता है बेटा. Keep that thing in mind. See, now come to examples. These red shoes are mine. These red shoes are mine. See, mine is a possessive word and it is coming at the end of the sentence. पूरे sentence के end में आया. इफ यू सी वेरी केयरफुली बेटा कि पूरे सेंटेंस कंप्लीट होने के एंड में आया, माइन इज योर पोजेसिव वर्ड एंड इट इज कमिंग एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस, दैट मीन्स इट इज अ पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन. That house over there is his. That house over there is his. Again see in this also, his is your what? It is your possessive word and it is coming at the end of the sentence. That means हमारा sentence कैसा बन गया? Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns generally come at the end of a sentence. No noun is used after them. कोई भी noun उसके बाद use नहीं होगा. ठीक है बेटा? No noun is used after them. Pronoun में बेटा कभी भी noun use नहीं होता है. ठीक है? Either there is a helping verb or a doing word. या तो helping verb हो या तो फिर doing या फिर action words हो, तब जाके आपका pronoun उसमें pronoun होता है. Whereas in adjectives you need a noun. Now see one more example. Whose table is this? Whose table is this? And the answer is this is ours. Now if you ask a question, whose table is this? अगर आपने कोई question पूछा, whose table is this? So what will be the answer in case of possessive pronoun? This is ours. Whose table is this? Your answer will be this is ours, and ours is your what? It is your possessive word. And this and one more important point, and it is coming at the end of a sentence, that means it is our possessive pronoun. So we have how many kinds of pronoun beta? We have 6 kinds of pronouns. First is your personal pronoun, second is your demonstrative pronoun, third is your interrogative pronoun, fourth is your reflexive pronoun, fifth is your emphasizing pronoun, and sixth one is your possessive pronoun. So these 6 kinds of pronouns are there. Okay beta.